Hello people, and today we will be discussing a case here where we can see a 67-year-old man is basically found dead in his home and the cause of death is not apparent. Right, he had a long history of hypertension, had myocardial infarction 1 year ago, and the gross examination of heart shows white scarring and enlarged left ventricle. Now the question is asking what is the type of collagen in the autopsy sample and in which normal body tissue is it most likely to be extensively found, right? So if you remember the changes after MI, so after 2 weeks, the healing phase starts basically and it extends up to 2 months. And here you can see that MI had occurred 1 year ago, and on gross examination you are finding the white scar, right? So the healing process has been completed. Now when the healing process starts initially, there is fibroblastic proliferation and granulation tissue is formed in which you find type 3 collagen to be in abundance, right? Which slowly progresses as healing occurs, and when we move towards to the scarring phase, right, where the scar is being formed, the type 3 collagen reduces in amount and type 1 collagen increases in amount. So basically we have to find out in the options where you will get type 1 collagen in abundance. Okay, so as we discussed, granulation tissue has type 3 collagen, right? So this gets ruled out. If it would be somewhere between 2 weeks to 2 months, we would once think about granulation tissue, but not in this case, right? Basement membrane has type 4 collagen, so this also gets ruled out, right? Now hyaline cartilage and nucleus pulposus, these two guys are having type 2 collagen in abundance, right? So they too get ruled out. Now to remember just a mnemonic, to remember type 2 collagen examples, you can pronounce cartilage as cartilage, just to remember that it has type 2 collagen, right? Now we are finally left with one option, and that is tendon. Tendon, bone, basically these structures have to provide strength to the framework of the body, right? And hence wherever this function is required, you will find that type 1 collagen is present in abundance. Hence the correct answer is tendon. Also coming to this autopsy figure, this histology slide, basically what we are seeing, these are the cardiomyocytes. These are the cardiomyocytes, while this is the fibrous tissue under discussion. Hence our answer is tendon.